So if you guys willing to make your car look insane, I got you an even better deal. You know, if you guys willing to make your car looking dope, like, you know, dope, that dope. You know, you guys can having a party in the car or something. You know, chilling out with your friends with the high music on. Boom! This is my recommendation for the day. Govee interior car lights, everybody. Voice reactive. Look how cool that looks. Plus, they are also, you guys can connect them to the phone. You can plug them into your car. Look at these lights. They're still connect. You can connect it to your phone, control them through your phone. And it also comes with a remote control. And but look how sick these looks. So again, so many colors, 16 million colors. You can just put them anywhere you guys want. Plug it right over there in that. You can, it's anywhere you want. And look how sick that looks. To be honest, I'm going to order anything, so I'm going to put it in my car. These lights are like super sick looking, isn't it, guys? Like, come on. I love the look of these lights. Like, wow, it's music reactive. You can control the brightness, all the lighting or presets. They're reacting to your voice, the music playing in the car, controlled by the app in your phone. You can turn them off. You can do anything with them. Like, how amazing is those lights? Put them in your car, just like show this. Ride with style. You know what I mean? Ride with style, if that makes sense. Look how neat that looks on that car, bro. That car looks good too.